Hey, Jesse, you got any cool stories of some noises that you get explained to you? Like, you know, those weird noises that customers say sometimes?
First thing in the morning, it's freezing cold. I go for a drive and I hear, row, 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 row. And then I go over a bump and it goes, duck, 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 duck.
That's a good one.
Sound like a chicken.
The chicken car. The duck, 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 duck.
Alternator's been wearing.
What noise was that?
It sounds like a supercharger or something. Sounds like it's
Yeah,
supercharged.
give us the noise. What is it?
Sounds supercharged.
My engine's making a weird noise. It's going.
Have you... Have you seriously had that before?
Yes, I have.
Oh, wow.
Quite literally.
Something that I get. Woo, woo, woo. Tick, tick, tick. All these sorts of noises.